Okay, thank you. Children, in first point I already said when the object present beyond the center of curvature, then the image formed between the focus and the center of curvature. And in second point I want to teach you when the object present on the center of curvature, then the image will be formed on the center of curvature, clear? On the center of curvature, right children? On the center of curvature. That means when object present on the center of curvature, then the image will be formed on the center of curvature in front of the concave mirror, right? In front of the concave mirror. Just we have to prove it by the help of ray diagram. I am drawing here. This is the concave mirror, and the back of the concave mirror is a silver surface. I draw like this. I am representing like this. Next, you know children, the center of the mirror is called as the imaginary center of the mirror. It's called as the pole, and this concave surface formed by the center of curvature, this is the C, and a B to C, this is called as the radius of curvature. Clear children? This is the radius of curvature. When a line passes through the pole and the center of curvature, so this is called as the principal axis, right? So here is the point is when the object present on the center of curvature, then the image will be formed on the center of curvature in front of the concave mirror, right? So I am placing the object. Before this explanation I taught you beyond the center of curvature, right? Now the object present on the center of curvature, O and O dash, on the center of curvature, right? So incident light ray coming from the object, it is parallel to the principal axis, right? It is parallel to the principal axis. Then the reflected light ray, will be passes through the focus. Clear? Incident light ray when parallel to the principal axis, remember a reflected light ray will be passes through the focus. Just I am representing here F. And another one, when the incident light ray passes through the focus, then the reflected light ray become parallel to the principal axis. Right? And here two reflected light ray are intersect and the formation of the image. This is the formation of the image, right? So this is the image formed. This image is below the principal axis and below the center of curvature, right children? Now I am going to write the nature of image, right? Nature of image. What are the nature of image? Point 1 is it is below the principal axis, image formed below the principal axis. Therefore, this is called as inverted image. Right? Okay. First point, nature of the image is inverted because it is formed below the principal axis. And sometimes question also arises to you, but it's inverted image, right? The image which is formed below the principal axis. This is called as the inverted image. Short questions will be arise you in the examination. Just to remember, this is the concept of your physics, right? and 10th class physics is very much important for you for the intermediate, and if you are clear the concept in 10th standard, there is no problem in intermediate second year. In the intermediate second year, this topic once again your lecturer will be explained to you, so you have to perfect very well in this chapter, right? So inverted image actor, what happened? This is the real image. This is called as the second point is what? It is real image, correct? Real image means the image easily you can capture it, right? In front of the mirror, this is the reflecting surface, na children? Yes, this is the reflecting surface. In front of the concave mirror, if you are placing any screen, easily you can get the image of the object on the screen, right? So this is, therefore it is called as the real image. And the third point is, just you compare the height of the object. The height of the object O dash is called as the height of the object. I can represent by HO. HO is the height of the object. Then that is I and I dash. I and I dash. This is the height of the image. So the height of the object and the height of the image is equal. Therefore it is called as the similar size. Right? The image is, what is the nature of image? Similar to the object size, similar to the object size, similar to the object size. So this is the inverted nature of the image is inverted, real, and the similar size. Just you see here, children, and when any object, if you are keeping in front of the concave mirror, if you saw the similar size of the image, but the image will be inverted, right? Image will be inverted. So this is the most important point. That is the second point belongs to. So in the second point is, when the object present on the center of curvature, then the image will be formed on the center of curvature in front of the concave mirror, right? Completed. This is the second point. Now